So we have news on the affordability front with electric vehicles. It seems, per Reuters, that Tesla is moving forward with its Project Redwood, which is its subcompact vehicle. It's actually going to be two vehicles. They wanted to market it so it's partly a robo-taxi and then also a economy car for their entry level. Now the great news about this is they're looking at a starting price point of about $25,000, which even with the Model 3 drops, they're still in the upper 30s, closer to $40,000 base entry there. Long been the complaint that electric vehicles are just not affordable for the good ones. You can buy China and a bunch of other companies are manufacturing them at a lower cost, but they're not there, right? People want the quality of a Tesla or better. And it's funny when you think about it because allegedly they tore apart a Honda Civic to use as a model to inspect. They wanted to figure out what makes the Civic tick as far as why is it such a good quality, why are they so reliable, and yet they're still at the low price point. So if they're using that as an investigative point, I think that's a good step in the right direction. Now, again, this story coming from Reuters, they are supposedly building these out at the Giga plant down in Texas. This has been in the works now for the last 4 years, and they're looking to start on these in 2025, which means we probably realistically won't see them until 26 or 27. This is great news. They reached out to suppliers and told their suppliers, hey, look, we're trying to make 10,000 of these things for the first run, so we can expect that to be about the initial number when they come out. And one of the other good things about the cost here and the pricing matrix, if you will, a lot of people lost their shirt buying Teslas a couple years ago because Tesla was not ready to bring this 25,000 model out yet. So in order, when EVs sales slowed, in order to keep sales going, they dropped all the prices, as we all know. And a lot of people lost their shirts on that instant negative equity on their brand new Tesla, and that sucks. The good news about this is knowing that it's only 2 or 3 years out, they're not going to drop the prices again. The Tesla 3 and whatnot, it's going to be what it's going to be because they're not going to cannibalize their future sales by going lower. Plus, profits, duh. So just to keep that in mind. So this is great news. It comes out. Here's a couple of the renders I was able to come across from the web, and I will cite their sources for you, just to give you a concept of what this vehicle is going to look like. Obviously, it's going to be very compact, but if you're a college kid, if you don't have a big family, you live in a city, and you're just looking to cut costs, but you want a reliable means of transportation, if you're just looking to get into the green EV market, but you can't quite afford it, this puts it down to a very competitive price point. So anyways, that's the news. If you guys have any comments or questions, let me know. In the future, I'll make more videos on this on breaking news. Appreciate you guys watching. Have a great day.